In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin in Lark. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can securely grant admin privileges to the right person in your workspace. Start by logging into Lark on your PC with an account that already has admin rights. Using a desktop browser or the desktop app is ideal because the admin tools are easiest to find there. If you belong to multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the correct one before you continue, since roles are managed per workspace. Next, open the Suite Admin, also known as the Admin Console. You'll typically find a link to this from your Account menu or the Workspace menu. This area is the control center for your organization. It's where user roles, permissions, departments, and other workspace-wide settings are managed, so it's important to proceed carefully and only make changes you intend. Once you're inside the admin console, go to Admin Settings. You might see it simply labeled as Settings. The exact layout can vary by version, but you're looking for options related to roles and permissions. In many setups, this is called Administrator Permissions or something similar. That's where Lark groups everything you need to elevate someone's access. Now it's time to select the user you want to promote. Open the admin list or the member list and locate the person. Use the search bar to quickly find them, and take a moment to confirm you've got the correct profile, especially if multiple people share similar names. The change you're making affects what they can do across the workspace, so accuracy matters. With the user selected, choose the role or permission level you want to assign. You might see options for a regular admin or an admin with specific permissions. If your organization prefers tighter control, assign only the areas they truly need, such as user management, departments, or certain settings. Following the principle of least privilege helps keep your workspace secure while still empowering the person to help. When you're ready, save the changes. Click Save or Confirm, and if prompted, acknowledge the confirmation dialog. After saving, the user immediately gains admin rights and can start helping manage users, departments, and workspace settings. It's a good practice to keep an internal note of who has admin access so your team stays aligned. And that's it. Log in with your admin account, open the admin console, head to Settings, find Administrator Permissions, select the user, choose the appropriate role, and save. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your Lark workspace.